Hello there. We're here again in our demo account, and I'm going to show you how to adjust your location setting so that it's a little bit more appropriate for saving you some money and that you're not wasting and giving it away to Google. So you're going to go into your campaign reports, and you'll see this little gear icon right beside any of your campaigns, any of your search campaigns, and any other campaigns that you're running here. This little dialog box is going to show up, and what you're going to want to look for is your location settings, okay? So you're going to run through it, and you're going to see your locations here, okay? I had one location for this particular campaign, and what you really want to do is adjust the setting here. So you got to have to untab this setting, these location options. Always look for those little things that you can untab within Google, and that will really help you find all the little hidden features, all the hidden settings that you'll want to obviously look at and make sure it makes sense for you. So we have two options here. We have one which is presence and interest, and that's really basically anybody who has either a presence in the location that you have set, or if they have an interest in that location. So they could be way off in Nantucket and searching for your ad or your business in Vancouver. That's pretty far away. Probably doesn't always make sense. So the more tight location setting is the one that I have selected here, which is presence. And only 90% of the time, this is what you're going to want, is you want people who are in your physical location or really near where you're advertising. So that's what I recommend for 90% of the time you're going to do that. The other 10% of the time is maybe you're a travel business and you're looking to do some tourism. So you're looking to get tourists to come into your city. Maybe they're researching, again, coming out to Vancouver. They're sitting in New York City, again, pretty far away. But if they're doing that, then that's definitely an opportunity where you want that person to be interested in your location. So there's definitely some opportunities and definitely some places where it makes sense to have presence and interest. But 90% of the time, you want people to be physically in your location that you're targeting. All right, so that's how we do it. That's how we make location setting very simple. We'll just click save and we're done. Beautiful. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Take care.